What's up, guys? Cryptographic here, coming at you in a time where I'm getting a lot of people seem stressed out and worried. A lot of people in the Discord asking questions about, everything, the fact that everything's dipping and worrying about it. As I understand it, we've got some more news out from China and Korea. So probably a lot of the dipping actually is from traders in China and Korea selling, I would imagine, and then sort of a chain reaction sparked from there. But guys, I just want to encourage everyone that this is the best time for you to start buying. You should have some money. If you have any money that's in fiat that you haven't yet invested into the market, this is the perfect time to put more money into the market and pick up some of those projects that you really that you care about and believe in. And if you pick good projects, then you're guaranteed to bounce back from this and make some healthy profits in the short term future. So I mean, I bought more UTK, more ICX, more MED, more QTUM, more LSK. I think that's about it. So just guys, just like it's like I said in the Discord, it's like last year in December, I was sending out encouragement videos going, buy these coins, buy. This is the perfect time to buy. And sure enough, a couple of weeks later, we were all laughing. We're in a bull market, and it's like even the traders that have been around for a while and that have seen dips like this for a while, it's easy to forget. It's easy to get caught up in the wave of a bull market and just get used to everything always being in the green, and always waking up and looking at your port the next day and seeing that it's gone up. And when you wake up and see that it's been smashed, your normal human instinct is to go, shit, I've lost money. I'm not as wealthy as I was yesterday. But in reality, you just hold on to those coins that have been hit. And if you've done your research properly from the start and you've researched in good projects, then you're guaranteed for it to bounce back in a very short time, guys. So just hold on to that. Hold on to the coins that have been battered. And like I said, buy more, guys. As I said in the last video around Christmas last year, time to pick up your nuts and buy more. Sorry if that is sexist to those of the population that don't have nuts, but you know what I mean. Pick up your courage and buy more. So like I said, for me, it's ICX, Icon, Mediblock, UTK, Utrust on KuCoin. All the links for any exchanges you might need to sign up to that you're not already signed up to are downstairs, down in the description of every video. Utrust, yeah. What else we got? LSK, LSK, QTUM. So come on, guys. Really, this is the time not to be worrying and not to be stressing, but to be rejoicing, the same way that you would rejoice in the sales on Boxing Day after Christmas or New Year's Day or whatever. The sales when you're excited to go and get yourself some new pair of new kicks or some clothes or whatever. This is where you just like running through and everything is just marked down. All those reds that you're seeing, see them as a percentage sign in your local shopping center with a sale price, yeah? And just pick up your courage, fight those instincts, yeah, which are to withdraw and to sort of back away from the market until it fixes up, and know that you're being given a golden opportunity here. And a lot of these coins are at prices that we might not see them at again. So take the opportunity, don't let it pass you by. Whatever little savings you've been hiding in between the cushions of your couch, go and scrape all that cash together and put it in the market. Yeah, this is the time for fresh money to come into the market, and you will get paid handsomely for the faith that you put into the market at this time. So just wanted to encourage you guys. I know I went on a literal, I put a few grand more in the market, that even some money that was earmarked to pay other things. I don't care, man. Everything I had on hand, I was chucking it straight into the market today, and I'm relieved. Now I just sit back. I just check it every now and again, once or twice a day, have a look at things, how they're going, and then when things bounce back, I'm going to be there, yeah? So let me know in the comments what you guys are buying. Let me know if you have any questions, if you're uncertain about things or worrying or whatever. And as usual, be sure to click the invite link to the Discord down below. And yeah, look forward to seeing some of you guys there. So yeah, be courageous. Don't let this shit get you down. Be encouraged, guys. Good luck. Let me know what you bought. And later on in a couple of weeks, let me know the profits you made. Appreciate it. Cryptographic out. Peace.